In cross-border trade, various transaction issues may arise from time to time. Made-in-China.com has now launched Secured Trading Service, where we guarantee you security from payment to delivery. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use Secured Trading Service. What is Secured Trading Service? Secured Trading Service, commonly referred to as STS, is an online transaction service aimed at ensuring secure transactions and addressing the mutual distrust between you and suppliers during the first-time cooperation. With Secured Trading Service, you can remit the money to Made-in-China.com first. If you have no objections with the supplier, the payment will be released to the supplier from Made-in-China.com. Why choose Secured Trading Service? Secured Trading Service offers the financial guarantee for both you and the supplier at a small charge. Additionally, Made-in-China.com provides comprehensive documentary service that offers free information verification for both parties, ensuring a smooth progress of bilateral trade. We offer flexible payment options, include initial and balance payment or full payment. You can even negotiate with your preferred supplier to pay in installments, such as 30% and 70% or 50-50. For the goods, you don't have to wait until the supplier is fully ready to deliver. As we now support batch shipment, you can maintain control over the entire transaction process to ensure the timely delivery of goods and safety of funds. How to use Security Trading Service? Start order with the Secured Trading Service suppliers. Search for the products you desire on Made-in-China.com. Filter out Secured Trading Service products. Click on Start Order. Click the Submit Order. Confirm with the supplier. Your order will then be in the Awaiting Quotation status, and the supplier will typically provide a quotation within 24 hours. Pay to Made-in-China.com. After receiving the quotation from the supplier, log into your Made-in-China.com account. Go to Transactions, My Orders. Click on Order Details to review the quotation. Locate the order you are ready to pay for and click Pay. There are two payment methods: bank transfer and card payment. Delivery. After the supplier completes production, you can check the real-time logistics information on Made-in-China.com. We also offer an additional inspection service to help you check the goods before dispatch. Pay to supplier. After you confirm the receipt, Made-in-China.com will release the payment to the supplier. Return and refund. If needed, return and refund are also available. Our team assists you in resolving any issues. You can apply for a refund up to 30 days after receiving the product for any delivery or product issues. Product Inspection Service. In addition, Secured Trading Service includes authoritative product inspection as an optional service offered at a limited discount. Made-in-China.com cooperates with authoritative independent institutions in inspection and verification field, such like SGS, to help you save considerable trouble by identifying problems before products are shipped. This helps secure your payment before confirming the product quality. We hope you have a wonderful experience on Made-in-China.com. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Secured Trading Service. From payment to delivery, we protect your orders.